You mean a bigger one? Like
yeah,
what?
like a big pointer.
I don't think we have anything
Like a wand.
a wand. I need a
Yeah.
magic wand. That's
Because this way
with fairy dust. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, so we'll just kind of start with the top and work our way down. So this is the entire structure here. This is the aorta. Okay, the entire thing is the aorta. Okay. And the aorta has different regions that you are going to be expected to know. This first region here is the ascending aorta. Where it makes the U-turn here is the aortic arch. From here all the way down to here, this portion is the descending aorta. The descending aorta is separated into two regions. This first region that goes through the thoracic cavity is called the thoracic aorta. And once the thoracic aorta passes through the diaphragm, which is here, once the thoracic aorta passes through the diaphragm, it becomes the abdominal aorta because it's in the abdominal cavity. So, the aortic arch has three superior branches that are coming off of the aorta. The first one here is the brachiocephalic trunk. The brachiocephalic trunk. The second one is going to be the left common carotid artery. The left common carotid artery. The third one is the left subclavian artery. Now the left subclavian artery, you can see that it actually is going to loop around a little bit and it's going to go underneath the clavicle and continue this way. Now, so this is the brachiocephalic trunk. The brachiocephalic trunk is going to bifurcate or split, and it splits into two. One projection is going to be the right common carotid artery, which is going to go up to the head and neck area and split off into the internal and external carotid arteries. And you can see a small part of that here, really small portion. The other part, the other projection coming off of the brachiocephalic trunk is going to be the right subclavian artery, and you cannot see the right subclavian in this particular model, but it does exist. This is the left common carotid artery, and you can see that the number actually changes here. So this is going to become the internal carotid artery, and then the external carotid artery is actually going to branch off somewhere here and disappears somewhere deeper in this model. That internal carotid artery is also viewable right here on the inside of the mouth, on the inside of the oral cavity. So that is the internal carotid artery as well. A little sneaky place for them to put it.